This is an Audi SQ8 with a Starline Pro with call alert, tracking and remote immobilisation. So if a thief got this key, done a relay attack, went to steal your vehicle, it will start up, but as soon as they pop it into gear, the vehicle's going to cut out, so it's not going anywhere, and you're also going to receive a phone call from the system letting you know someone's attempted the vehicle. So if you're in the house, you're going to know about it if you don't hear them. There we go, the SQ8 is giving us a call. If we just answer and end that, if not, it would keep ringing. If it's you, you can just have your Bluetooth on, or you can choose from a push sequence. Start the car, it disarms straight away, you can pop it in gear and drive off. If your phone goes flat, you have a push sequence as well. But say you were driving the vehicle, someone pulled you out, they've driven off with the vehicle, obviously the system's disarmed. When they turn it off, it's going to reactivate, but you don't want them to get too far, so you can go into the tracking system. With the vehicle running, say they've driven off of it, you go into your tracker, see where it is, go down to control fuel. Oh, we click on cut off, so set, control fuel, cut off, we'll type in our password. Send the command, and the vehicle instantly cuts out. As you'll see, whether they got your phone in the vehicle or not, we'll just turn the Bluetooth on, you'll hear the system disarm, but the vehicle's not starting, it's not going any further. They're going to be unable to drive it. When you get to the vehicle, obviously you can zoom in on the tracker, see where it is. Once you get there, you'll scroll down to recover. As you can see, it's giving us another call on the phone. Recover the vehicle, type in our password, press OK. So now it's recovered, the vehicle's just going to start right up, and you're good to drive it home. This is the Starline Pro with call alert, remote immobilisation, tracking. You can choose from a push sequence or your phone paired to simply drive the vehicle, and if a thief tried to attack it, the vehicle's not going anywhere. As you saw, the phone's going to ring, the vehicle's going to be immobilised, and your car's going to be protected. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.